It is the single smallest device that has made keeping track of our stuff easier than ever before. It's the Apple AirTag. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter when you're there. And strangely enough, I get a lot of questions about this personal stuff tracking invention, especially the moment someone gets one or when the battery poops out after you've had it for about a year. Well, here's how to set up and use an Apple AirTag to track your items. First, let's go to the home screen on your iPhone. Remove the battery tab from the AirTag, if applicable, then hold it near your iPhone. Tap Connect on the screen of your iPhone. Choose a name from the list, or you can create a custom name you just type in and tap Continue. Then tap Agree to connect the AirTag to your Apple ID. Now, when you're ready to see how it's working, open your Find My app. Go to the item that you've added, and then on this list you can then have a lot of options to find out how to track your AirTag or play a sound with it nearby. And just like that, your items are no longer playing hide and seek. Check out cool tech like this at cyberguy.com, or you're getting my newsletter. Get it for free by clicking the little red button when you type in cyberguy.com on your browser.